Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Hadin ba Dr. L.R. Bishnoi ula Shimti Dangshan kumu Director General of Police jang kejela Meghalaya hakasngi balang ka arpau terik benai naitung arazar arpuar ula Hiar jurib yaki kato kat ne teli ki Shnong ki bedan hapok ka jeli jong ke Shnong Mawlai kenang ban penjannya ka Jingïatreilang hapdeng ketenat Pulit pat ki ba ki basong basa hak Shnong Mawlai. Akajing jurib ke balas dang na Mawlai Mauro bat yai terter sa Mawlai Put Muri, Mawlai Nonglum, bat penkut pat ya kajing yai linti ha Mawlai Mauyong, ya u DGP la senran lang da Superintendent of Police jong ke East Khasi Hills District uba Sylvester Nong Tenger, Superintendent of Police City uba Vivek Aim, Additional Superintendent of Police Traffic uba Ian Onel Swear, kinongkit kam Shnong baper jong ke Shnong Mawlai. Hasilan ter lenti u DGP ula yok lat banyakaran markman bat ki samla jong ke Shnong Mawlai ke bayai lenti bat kum juru ki nongsong dukan hastan bos Mawlai. Agajing yakran bat ki lat patai kubor u DGP ula kenturu yang ki bor penyat Shnong jong ke Shnong Mawlai ban lumnya ki samla ki balangop bat kerni agajing di drop kenang ban nyeselok lang bat ki na ke benta ke bha kamiat jong ke Shnong katha.
First of all, let me express my sincere gratitude to Dorbar Shnong, Rongba Shnong and Rongba Dong of all the localities of Mawlai. They accompanied us and they have given us certain feedbacks about the localities, about the citizens, about the outsiders who come here, stay in the rented houses. And more or less the area is very, very peaceful and I'm very happy to interact with the citizens here. All the citizens are very humble and the peace loving. I found that in some localities the people complained about the drug trafficking and drug peddlers are there. So with the help of people, we want to go ahead and control this problem. Police alone cannot find all the solutions. So we have come here to seek the cooperations of the people, and the people, particularly the Dorbar Shnong, Rongba Shnong and Rongba Dongs, they are very cooperative and they have given us the feedback about their own localities. And I found that by and large the localities are peaceful. And in some localities, people particularly from countryside who come here for jobs, for labor work and others, sometimes they resort to substance abuse and drug trafficking. So I requested all the Dorbar Shnong members and headmen that you please arrange the interactions, our interaction with those youth who have fallen prey to drug abuse, and we want to help them. Because I was told many things about Mawlai, and after knowing all those things, many things we can forget. We tend to forget. But when the people involve us, then we can learn many new things also. So I found that Mawlai area is inhabited by the highly literary citizens here, and they are highly educated and the peace loving. Many of them are in the service, many of them are doing their business. So people are by and large, they cooperate with the police, and if need arises, we can increase the patrolling in this area, because of late some complaints keep coming about the drug trafficking. So drug trafficking is the cause of concern in some localities, not in all localities of Mawlai, only in some areas particularly. So there we will take help of the Dorbar Shnong and we will go ahead. And now at present we have district-wise ANTF, Anti-Narcotic Task Force, one task force in every district. It was constituted long back because almost all the districts have this problem. But if you can give us feedback that particularly locality of Shillong is more infested with the drug abuse, then we can think of constituting a separate ANTF team for that area. we can go ahead, and we are now concentrating on capacity building of our own police personnel also. We are organizing lot many training refresher courses so that our officers, they can understand the nitty-gritties of NDPS Act and how to go about it. But also seek the cooperation of the people. If they come forward and help us, then jointly, unitedly, we can overcome this problem. Every week, we will plan to visit the different localities and interact with all the Dorbar Shnong headmen and members and seek their cooperations, and also familiarize ourselves with the localities. I will interact with the youth, particularly those youth who are doing well in study and sports, so that they can join us in our endeavors and they can motivate others. So we will concentrate on more and more interaction with the citizens here, so that if any misunderstanding is there, if any mistrust is there between police and citizens, that can be removed. So my aim is to develop friendly rapport with the citizens here and take their help in policing also. And we will also help them and also seek their help. So unitedly we can preempt the crimes, we can prevent the crimes. So we want to involve the citizens in general, and the Dorbar Shnong members in particular be a part of our crime prevention strategy. Because many crimes can be prevented if the people come forward with information, we will help them. Our main aim is to help the people and not to harass them.